Here I'm sitting on the slopes of the long ridge. Quite a few people here on the hill around me. It's very late in the night, it's 10 o'clock in the night. And I came here after work. So today I was done with my last shift, and that is what I'm seeing here. Big lava river is running down here along the slopes of the mountain, as you see. And we have that on the top of this hill, we have lava tornadoes in between, and it's quite impressive when they happen. Right here in front of the volcano. This is the volcano. It's very active now in the night. You see how much smoke coming from the volcano, pink smoke. You see. Beautiful colors now in the night. As always, I'm using Samsung camera S21, and this is what I see. I saw smokes already from the road when I was driving, so I knew there is activity here. And I started to hike the long ridge to the east here. I'm going also on the top of that mountain next. I will keep hiking further, I'll keep hiking there on the top, because it's such a nice weather today. You see, it's very much fog now in Iceland in the night. It's not cold. I mean, you can be just in sweater. Actually, it's not cold. But this is Icelandic midnight sun, because we're closer to midnight already. And that's how night looks in Iceland in the night. This is night in Iceland. It's not daytime. And volcano seems to be active in the night, Let's zoom in, Bertha. See this tornado? Look. Look what is happening. That's what I meant. See, they always happen in there. I don't know the reason behind, because there is no wind here. I mean, today is windless day. It's zero wind, zero. See, the outflow is immense. It's just mesmerizing. Mesmerizing outflow, huge amounts. See the speed of this river. Look how fast it runs downhill. And those tornadoes are quite impressive. Huge waves, lava waves. Something for the surfers. Or you can sail in asbestos boats, as somebody wrote. See, and those tornadoes, they take place in different locations, just wherever, you know. And then here it spills around, you see, it's spilling over. This is the end. And very soon we'll reach, it's also spilling on the other side of the mountain. Spilling everywhere. And very soon we'll start running down the hill there, you see. Through the western wall. Here we had the wall, you know, which was overflooded by lava. It was constructed wall here, you see the road. There was a wall here once in a time. They wanted to stop lava from going down and it's violated it. And now more lava is coming down, as you see. There was also a wall here and that was also violated. 2 walls were broken. But that wall, there is another wall there and there and there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 walls. 3 still stand. 3 walls are still standing. 2 had been destroyed. So this is what is happening here.